Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. It is sweltering. It's so hot, it's about, I don't know, mid-30s, 35, 36 in Phuket. Today we're going down to KARON beach. I'm going to show you the beach, we'll run the drone over it. We'll check it out, it's beautiful. But we're going to do a bit more than that, because I like giving more. You're not fucking taking it. I'll show you where I am. This is the Cliff restaurant. It's part of Sintara. Someone I knew once did a vlog from here and said his coffee was 1,000 baht. Yeah, it's a bit more than 10 times that he said. But that's your views. That's KARON beach. The views, the views, even the views from up here are astounding. That's the beach, totally changed since the last time I was here again. Doesn't get better than that. Certainly doesn't get better than that. So we're going to ride down the mountain and put the drone up over it, and then we're going to move over there past that beach. You see that clump of jungle forestry there? The other side is the second part of KARON beach. That's beautiful as well. We'll take the drone over that island. And further past there is KATA beach. KATA, however you pronounce it, I really don't care. But we'll be going there. So we're going to have the drone up over 3 places, 3 beaches, over that island, and show you it all. And it is beautiful. So it's going to be fun. I will say, by the time I get from here down onto the beach, I'm a bit hot. My shirt might have turned to white. And then when we get from there to the second part of KARON beach, I called it KARON beach too, I don't know what. Oh, it is. When I get there, this will be, the white one will be wet and I'll have to put the blue one back on. You can't do all this in one day. It's too hot. It's too hot to do it all. Oh yeah, I'm lazy. I'm having a break. This is my holiday. Thanks, guys. Oh, Sonny, 1,000 baht coffee, you lying bastard. Oh, it's beautiful. It's worth 1,000 baht. 88 baht 28 satang with the VAT. I don't know, I suppose I couldn't work it out. 88.28. That's got to be there. They have 7% VAT in Thailand, so maybe that's with the VAT. I'll find out. But we'll go on a bike down to KARON beach, show you a couple of accidents on the way. None of them are me, makes a change. And then we'll get the drone out. See you down there. Spilt me fucking coffee. 1,000 baht coffee. Right, here we are down at KARON beach. But watch the holes in the grass. And the beach here, well, how beautiful is that? And of course here Phuket, unlike Pattaya, the sea's blue here. And obviously the views, the scenery, the mountains all the way around, absolutely stunning. So holidays for me, Phuket, yeah, because it has some like nightlife. It has lots of nightlife in Patong, but you've got some also around. If you stay at KARON Beach up, there is some nightlife, restaurants, bars. I mean, the Manic is Patong, but you're not far, just over the mountain there. Take you straight down to Patong, down to Bangla Road, and it's nutty. While we're here doing the KARON beach, it's only across, it's not far. This is KATA beach, or KATA, whatever they call it. That's a beautiful beach. They're all beautiful beaches. Very beautiful. It's not as long as the main KARON beach. It's as long as the KARON beach 2, as I call it. Sand is gorgeous, beautiful.
Nhờ bỏ nó hết không được.
Well, what a trip, eh? All that, all round the island, the beaches, and back here, just in time to finish me coffee. I don't muck about. Anyway, if you liked it, give me a like, a share, thumbs up, subscribe if you want to. No harm in it. At least you'll get notifications when I put the next video out. So hopefully you will. Anyway, that's me for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.